You too. Hey, check me out, man. I don't know. I'm a little scared. Look, bro, check me out. I'm taking my first crash out to the range, bro. I'm a little scared. I'm taking my first crash out to... I'm scared, bro. I don't know. I don't trust this nigga, bro. I'm scared. Yeah, man. I'm taking my first crash out to the fucking range. I hope this nigga don't hear me. I'm kind of scared, bro. As soon as I walked in, bro, this nigga... I mean, he talking about... He was gonna drive off with my... What?
My tires have spin.
I done gun in the trunk. He got his shit, bro. I'm scared, bro.
I got the tires.
I don't really like the police, but he throwing the fucking shiesty on, bro. Hey, bro. Somebody call the police for me, bro. I'm scared as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
That blackout, you won't say that blackout hit harder than the K, bro. That shit hit. That bit thump. When I say that bit thump, that bit. But you saw how that shit did that video I sent you?
Yeah.
That joint had down blew the grill back. That joint put a damn crater in the ground. Come on.
Listen, bro. When you shoot the K, you gonna change your mind, bro.
Right, this, look, think about it like this. This is another thing, right? Right?
So, talk to me.
The K, 16 inches. So you got more control of that bitch.
Yeah.
That blackout only 8.5. So like you got control, but that bitch you don't got as much support as you do with your full arm. You got less support. You know what I mean? Like that shit I'm telling you. The first time I did that shit about blew my shoulder back. I ain't gonna lie. I can control that bit now. Kinda, you know what I'm saying? I probably done put like 300 rounds through it.
Listen, bro. When you crashing out, don't hit these people loose, bro.
Right. You see my targets. You see my... Alright, bet. Don't worry about it. Bro, we're gonna... Alright, so, bet. This is what we gotta do, right?
What's up? Talk to me.
We gotta do, like, 3 segments, right? We're gonna do one where we really... The first one we're going there, we're gonna really see about aim. Who aim really like that. You know what I'm saying? That's what we first gonna see, aim. Next, we're gonna do... Might just do 2. We might just do aim and then do crash out. Yeah, because it's 2 of us. Yeah. So, boom. Go in there, see who aim better. You know what I'm saying? Set target up 5 yards, 10 yards, then all the way back, 15. You see who aim like that. Then...
Hey, man. Check me out. We made it to the range, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, you know how
crash out.
Yeah, what the... Yeah, we in a safe environment, you too. Safe environment.
We in a safe environment.
You know what I'm saying?
Let's do it. Yeah, we got the range, man. Let's do it. Hey, man. What y'all think the crash out Chicago, man? Let me know in the comments, bro. What y'all...
Hey, man, look at the shotgun. Get up, bro. Keep them shotguns. Come on, dog. Imagine running down with somebody with a boom.
Nah, that's...
Look at you over here.
That's crazy.
We not auto, bro. And that joint got a laser on it. I don't even do it. Oh, no, you got it. You know, I just got the sights on it.
Yeah.
They had one in here that had a laser on it. I think somebody got
The top one hard, though, bro. That's something... Yeah.
But you gotta think about it, man. That joint gonna hit, so it ain't got no stock on it. So that joint gonna...
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, bro. Taking the first crash out to the range, man. You excited, bro? What you think, man? Let me know.
Hey, man, this is my second home, man. This is my second home. Look at these shirts. Should I cut this shirt? Oh, Palmetto. They did in Palmetto State. No. They did in Palmetto State. PS who? No. That's crazy. Yeah. At first you don't succeed.
Crash out. He dropped out. He really can't read for it.
Yeah.
In the range.
See, I've had lead poisoning, man. It's not fun. It's so. What, man? You get all your friends to start buying guns?
Yeah, man, got them get them boys do it.
Damn, man, that laser is off.
No, I zeroed the laser for like 5 yards. The sight. Come on now.
I thought you said you was gonna hit the pink, bro. What
I
happened?
did.
I
That's
thought
that's
you was
3
talking about
shots
the
right-
forehead,
come on
bro.
now. Come on now, this all my hits right here. Mind you, I only had 10. Mind
Right.
you, I only had 10, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Them all my shots. All your shots was right here. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Come on, bro.
Stop
Be
it.
for real, bro.
What, man, you get all your friends to start buying guns?
Yeah, man, got them get them boys do it.
You said you was gonna hit?
The top right, little circle on the side. You know what I'm saying?
Say that. Probably got to cock it again. There you go.
Ooh, right when I figured it out. That's when.
What you think, bro? ARP or the K? What you think, bro? Honest
Like-
opinion.
I mean, only because I'm used to the blackout. But if I get used to this, cause I just figured out like I gotta aim for the like the tip
Yeah.
when it's close. But if it was further out, I would aim dead center. So once I figured that out, these was my first couple shots right here. But once I figured that out, that's when I started getting closer. But honestly, it's not bad. This is for like if I had a big backyard or something, and I see something running in my backyard, and I gotta hit them from like 50 feet, 50 yards away. I'm definitely grabbing the AK, definitely. But if I see something like 10 yards away, 15, blackout. If I see something 5 yards, definitely going with the Glock.
We got the blackout, we got the K, and we got the Glock.
That's what I would say.
All right, so we leaving the range now. He said, hey, the crash out said he wasn't done. He want to keep going. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on once we get to the next spot.
Yeah. Hold on.
But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell too. Y'all got to hit the bell, man. For real. Nah, but yeah, that's the end of this video.